It's up to you. You can keep Mr. Parker or you can get another attorney. So the drug patch, I have prescription. We've been
Okay.
going, yeah, that we've been doing that. Good morning, you're Carly Davis. Could everyone please hold it down? So Ms. Davis, you were late for court. I forfeited those bonds. I'll recall those forfeitures. It is extremely important that you are on time to court. Do you understand? And so your cases are set for trial to begin with jury selection next week. Is everyone ready?
Your Honor, I think that my client has something she'd like to request of you.
Judge, before we get to that, given this defendant's recent violations of the drug patch, I'd ask that she be drug tested today.
So the drug patch, I have prescription. We've been
Okay.
going, yeah, that we've been doing that. We got the prescription is the same one. There's nothing different. Otherwise, I would absolutely agree with you. So you're not driving, correct? Right. So that was part of that agreement. And so what do you have to say?
Um, with all due respect, I have, after our last time in front of you, I had signed a plea rejection. And it was recently she had told me the offer right before we came in here that morning. And you asked if I had signed a plea rejection on the tablet. She stated no, so we went in the hallway and signed it. That plea rejection was different than the one that she had offered me right as we were at the elevator. So I was a little confused and it didn't click until we were already, it was over. I was still here waiting for my Uber and I sent her a text and I never heard anything back. And I've tried to call several times. She finally had texted me about a month later and said she had been out. She would call me the next day. And I can show records of where I've been trying to get a hold of her and.
So what
Your
do you-
Honor, I just have my phone records.
Well, yeah, it couldn't have
Not
been
true.
30 days. I mean, there's not all that adds up because it's only been 30 days since your last court date. Here's the thing. I just need to know if we're going to trial or not. Do you want to, if you want to take a plea offer, then you guys can discuss that this morning and we can get it taken care of. But your case is set for trial next week. I'm not changing attorneys. I'm not setting it for anything. I will order the cases for trial tomorrow after my jail docket. And so you'll know then what the trial order is for next week. But after today, there won't be any plea agreements accepted. Do you understand that? So do y'all want to visit for a minute or do you want to go forward with trial?
Probably.
Visit for a minute? Okay, I'll hold it. Y'all go visit.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sam.
Follow beyond this is Corey Anderson. We did rejections.
Okay.
In your honor, for the record, she told me her name is Tori Sam, and that was the name on her driver's license. She got pulled over. I don't know how they got Tori Anderson. That is her maiden name, but
Okay.
Tori Sam is her name.
Ms. Malfino, I guess if the state wants to maybe look into that and
I will,
add
Judge,
that.
and I'll make
Okay.
an amendment if necessary down the line.
All right, ma'am. So Tori Anderson, Anderson is your maiden name. So that is you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so Ms. Anderson, in the cause number 25 DCCR 1165, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. That's from July 31st of 2025. And what that means, ma'am, is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty by a jury, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand? Answer
Yes,
out
ma'am.
loud. Thank you. And I have here on the tablet a plea bargain rejection that has your signature on it with Mr. Parker's. That shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty to reduce that
To evading
to a misdemeanor evading with a 1 year deferred probation. Is that your understanding of the offer?
That I rejected it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm not guilty.
Okay. So then what I'll do, is there a video? Have y'all had an opportunity to review?
There's a video, and I've talked to Ms. Mufino about it, and it's pretty consistent with what she's told me, and
Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure. So, Ms. Anderson, I'll get your case set for trial. And Ms. Anderson, Mr. Parker has been appointed to represent you at this point. He's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed lawyer. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney today who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? It's up to you. You can keep Mr. Parker or you can get another attorney.
I'll keep what I have. I'm not interested in changing.
Sure. All right, Mr. Parker, we'll begin preparation for trial. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Parker so that you'll know when to be back and ready for trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Go ahead.
If I may, and this is no way directed at Mr. Parker. He has discussed this case multiple times with me. We have exchanged notes. I have watched the video and taken notes myself on it and relayed some information. I agree that some parts of it are consistent, but I would just ask, again, not directed at Mr. Parker, but at Ms. Anderson, that she watch it before we get to jury selection.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Parker, if you, Ms. Anderson, make sure you make an appointment, go visit with Mr. Parker so you can watch the entire video, visit about everything. If there's any change before that trial date, let me know ahead of time, because once you get to the trial date, I don't accept plea agreements. So y'all visit before then, don't wait till the last minute, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
In this courtroom session, one defendant was reprimanded for arriving late and warned that punctuality was critical as her trial date approached, while concerns were raised about prior drug patch violations, though her prescription appeared to explain the issue. She expressed confusion over a previously signed plea rejection, claiming communication issues with her attorney may have affected her understanding of the plea deal, prompting the judge to give her one final opportunity to confer before trial, while making clear that no plea agreements would be accepted after that day. Another defendant, facing a serious third-degree felony evading charge with possible prison time of 2 to 10 years, formally rejected a reduced misdemeanor plea offer with deferred probation, maintaining her innocence and insisting on trial. The judge ensured she understood the stakes, confirmed video evidence had been reviewed, offered her the option of replacing counsel for faster preparation, and emphasized that she must closely coordinate with her attorney and fully review all evidence before jury selection, as trial would proceed unless a decision was made immediately.